It's like 6 in the morning. I've been up all night. We had a torrential downpour last night, and I've been pumping water out of our basement all night. It's been interesting. Our sump pump couldn't keep up with the amount of groundwater coming in, so I have a secondary water hose coming out here. I've been pumping it out away from the house as far as I can with these hoses. The septic bed, I believe, is up there. I was pumping it down here all night. Not that water, but around here. The back was flooded. Now that I have daylight, yeah, that's bad. I'm gonna go in there and take a look. The amount of water we got was astronomical. Like, wait till I get around the corner. But this here is probably going to be the best spot for our orchard. About 4 or 5 inches deep here. Okay, so that's where I just walked through. That is not a pond. I'll zoom in here. There's our fire pit that we had a fire with the other day. I'm gonna walk out there because I think that it'll still be under my boots. We'll see. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't really want to get wet right now. I'll go to the road there. I'll go back the other way. I will make it out to the road eventually, but I want to come over here. And you can see the fire pit through the trees there. I probably get to it this way. This is pretty flat and shallow. Well, I made it here, but my feet just got wet. I think that's maybe 14 to 16 inches deep, that fire pit ring. Well, I'm just glad that this water is not in our house or even close to it. I say that's a good 1.5 feet deep there. There is actually a ditch here. There's the other side of our fire pit. That's where I was just standing. This is crazy. Alright, so I'm back out here where the flood was. This has been 5 days, I think, since the rain stopped. And we're back to grass. I'm going to show you the fire pit here. So this is the top 1/3 of a 55-gallon drum, and the water level was about there. So it's about 12 inches deep. This is just a pasture. There's no signs of water ever really collecting here, except down in the ditch. So we were 1 foot underneath the water here. So this area they were expecting 75 millimeters of water that day. It turns out we got over 100, I heard. And the bad news is on Tuesday, in 2 days, we're expecting another 50 millimeters. So I will be monitoring the house for water. We do have monitors in there now, so if water comes in, there will be an alarm sounding. And the secondary pump is still in the pit, so if we have to pump out faster, then we will. But eventually we're going to get a new pump in there, and we're going to hopefully try to get a secondary backup pump in there, so that if it does come in faster than we can get it out, we have 2 pumps pumping it out. At least I didn't have to mow this weekend.